Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to get Bing reward points quick and how to maximize your profits. Right, so first things first, you gotta open up the Edge browser. That's number one. Then you gotta go to your top right picture here, okay? And then you're gonna wanna go to your Microsoft rewards. Okay, and then once you go there, you're gonna wanna go to earn. And then once you go to earn, you enter that sweepstakes. And then once you go from there, you go from here and you go all the way down. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go here. Right? Yep. That's already done. We already found deals. Right? This is available on Tuesday. None of these are here. Available on Friday. We ain't got none of those. We got daily sets. So we're gonna go there, and then we're gonna X out of that. That's done. Check. Warp quiz. We'll start playing. Sure. That's easy. That's easy. That's easy. That's easy. Oops, my fault. My fault. That's easy. My fault. That's easy. That's easy. There you go. You just earned 30 points. Why not? Daily poll. Dresser. Why not? Next poll. Why not? They're all closed. But that's done right there too. That's done the streak. We're done the streak. So you can go down here. You can do more entries. Up to 20 entries right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to drop the code right down here below the video. Definitely maximize your profits. Make sure you do all of these. Set up your windows back up. Use default as your default engine. Search up to 3. This is the best way. Maximize your profits. Legit. If you want to know any other more ways or any other questions about this, just let me know. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. And I hope you all win. I'm trying my luck. So you already know what it is. We want to keep going on, see what's happening here. You already know I'm going to redeem more right now. Alright, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.